Ever felt like your phone screen could be doing more for your sleep? You stare at that bright display, scrolling just one more thing, and then wonder why you're still wide awake hours later. Sound familiar? Well, what if I told you there's an app designed to intelligently adjust your screen's color temperature, making it easier on your eyes, especially in the evening? We're talking about Lunar, a fantastic tool that aims to harmonize your device with the natural light cycles of the day. Now, you might be thinking, another app? Do I really need it? Think about it this way, we often adjust the brightness of our screens, but the blue light emitted, particularly at night, can interfere with our body's natural production of melatonin, the sleep hormone. Lunar tackles this by gradually shifting your display to warmer, more amber tones as the sun sets. It's like giving your eyes a cozy blanket as the day winds down. So, you're intrigued, right? You're ready to give your eyes a break and potentially improve your sleep. The next logical step is, of course, getting Lunar onto your device. And that's exactly what we're going to walk through today. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process, no tech wizardry required. First things first, you'll need to head over to the App Store relevant to your device's operating system. If you're using an Android phone or tablet, you'll want to open the Google Play Store. Look for its familiar multicolored triangle icon, usually found on your home screen or in your app drawer. If you're on an iPhone or iPad, the place you're looking for is the App Store, symbolized by a white A on a blue background. Once you've located and opened your device's App Store, the next step is to find the Lunar app. At the top of the screen, you'll typically see a search bar. Tap on this bar, and a keyboard should pop up. Now, simply type in Lunar Screen Dimmer or just Lunar app. Hit the search button, which might look like a magnifying glass. A list of search results will appear. You should see the Lunar application listed, often with a little moon icon as its logo. Make sure you're selecting the official Lunar app. It's usually developed by a recognizable name or has a good number of downloads and positive reviews, which can serve as indicators of its authenticity. Once you've found the correct Lunar app, tap on its name or icon to go to its dedicated page within the App Store. Here, you'll find more information about the app, including screenshots, user reviews, and details about its features. To download and install Lunar, look for a button that says Install on Android or Get on iOS. Tap this button. The download process will begin automatically. You'll likely see a progress bar or a spinning indicator showing the download status. The time it takes to download will depend on your internet connection speed and the size of the app, but it's usually a fairly quick process. Once the download is complete, the Install or Get button will likely change to Open. You can either tap this button to launch the Lunar app immediately, or you can find the Lunar icon in your app drawer, on Android, or on your home screen, on iOS, and tap it there. The first time you open Lunar, it will likely ask for certain permissions, such as the ability to access your device's display settings. It's important to grant these permissions for the app to function correctly. Follow the on-screen prompts and allow the necessary access. And just like that, you've successfully downloaded and installed the Lunar app. Now you can explore its settings, customize how it adjusts your screen's color temperature, and start experiencing its potential benefits for your eye comfort and sleep. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.